Attention Pilates professionals. Are you ready to take your classes and clients way outside the Pilates box by creating classes that burn fat and build muscle? Then look no further than my latest workshop series, the Badass Pilates Collective. In this workshop, we are going to dive deep into the importance of adding HIIT and strength classes into your workouts, as well as how to easily create effective HIIT and strength sequences that blend seamlessly with your favorite reformer flows. So no matter if you are a Pilates professional or simply a Pilates lover, all are welcome. Head over to my website, tiffanyburkepilates.com, to see a complete list of workshop locations, dates, and times. And I will see your badass self soon.